In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to download files from Replit. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to grab your entire project as a single zip file you can back up, share, or open locally. I'll keep things simple and clear, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Replit website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspace. On your dashboard, you'll see your projects listed. Click the project you want to download to open it in the editor. Take a quick moment to confirm you've opened the right one, especially if you have multiple similar projects. Inside the editor, look to the left side of the screen where the tool panels live. If that side panel is collapsed, expand it using the panel expand icon. This ensures you can see all the workspace tools. If it's already open, you're good to go. Next, open the file tree. This is the panel that shows your project's folders and files, typically labeled files with a folder icon. It's your directory view inside Replit. Make sure everything you expect to download is visible here, like source files, configuration files, and assets. Now find the three dots menu on the Files panel. This is the More Options menu. It's usually at the top right of the file tree. If you don't see it immediately, hover your cursor over the panel header or slightly resize the panel. On smaller screens, the icon can hide until you focus that area. Click the three dots, and from the drop-down menu, choose Download as Zip. Replit will bundle your project into a zip archive that includes your current file structure. For larger projects, give it a moment. Packaging can take a bit. Your browser will either start the download automatically or prompt you to choose a location, depending on your settings. By default, many browsers save it to the Downloads folder. That's it. The project has been downloaded as a single compressed file. This is a great way to create an offline backup, move the project between machines, or share it with collaborators who need a snapshot of your code